Okay, so how do we find the mean of a probability distribution? Well, there's a formula that we need to use to find the mean of a probability distribution, and that formula is right here. That's kind of ugly, but if we want to find the mean of a probability distribution, here's our symbol mu for mean. Okay. This big symbol right here that looks like a giant E is sigma. That means find the sum of all of this. And x is my random variable, and then p of x is the probability of that random variable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each random variable, multiply it by its corresponding probability, and then find the sum of all of them. In other words, add them all up. So here we go. The mean of a discrete random variable is given by this formula. Mu, the mean, is equal to the sum of each random variable times the probability of its corresponding probability, excuse me, and each value of x is multiplied by its corresponding probability, and then the products are added up. So let's take a look at this example down here. Find the mean of the probability distribution below. So I've got my random variable x. Where's my mouse? There it is. I've got my random variable x right here. And its corresponding probability over here. Probability is on this side. So let's go ahead and multiply each random variable times its probability. So here I'm going to go with 1 times 0.30, which is equal to 0.30. And then 2 times 0.10, and 2 times 0.10 is 0.20, and then 3 times 0.50, 3 times 0.5, or half of 3, is 1.5, and then 4 times 0.10 is equal to 0.40. And then what do I do with all of these? I find the sum. So let's add them all up. 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 1.5 plus 0.4 is going to be equal to 2.4. 2.4 is the mean. Or I could write it like this. Mu is equal to 2.4. And that's it. For each probability distribution that you have, in order to find the mean, you take each random variable, or each outcome of your random variable, multiply it times its corresponding probability, and then add them all up, and that'll give you your mean of your probability distribution.